Everybody needs a crate motor for their shop. Doesn't matter if it's a big block, a small block, just a chip off the old block. I don't know if I would run these motors too hard because they're a birch to get the clearances right on. Once you have all your parts, it's very important to keep them grouped together in an orderly manner. This is very important because, well, this is going to be a precision piece of machinery. Right, we have our crate motor heads, and we have a nice wood block carburetor, our spacer plate for our air cleaner, and our air cleaner. I think we're getting somewhere. Now all we need is a block. We've got heads and intake figured out. And as your crate motor comes together, you have to reinforce it, keeping in mind the amount of horsepower and torque that this thing is going to make. And always reuse all your nails when possible, otherwise your crate motor won't be legal. Well, there we have it, our crate for our crate motor. Gee, I hope these valve cover gaskets don't leak. I'm just going to reuse the old ones here. Don't tell anybody, I don't have a Chevy oil pan, so I'm going to use this Toyota Celica pan. That'll work. And when it comes to headers, nothing but the best for this fire-breathing beauty. We're going to run them in as dug out of the scrap pile condition. Should I run 2 manifold bolts or should I run 3 manifold bolts? Because I think 3 is definitely sufficient. Well, there you have it. One tree fiddy crate motor. Made out of leftover parts from the airboat project. I'm going to leave everything with the original patina. And now I just got to find a place to hang it up in the shop. Like, subscribe, share. I 3D printed these. I got the files off Thingiverse. Check the video description. All right, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. And as always, thanks for watching.